Patreon.com/shadesandtrades if you want to join the private Discord for trade alerts. Cool, thanks man. I made over 50%. I'm really excited. Advice on when to buy and sell makes the difference of thousands of dollars. So again, patreon.com/shadesandtrades for trade alerts. So, someone did ask me, a subscriber asked me if I am going to buy the SPCX IPO, and my response to that is a fat no, because why would I do that, right? Let me show you something interesting. We had a new IPO here. There was a lot of hype around CRBS. Is it Cerberus? Why can't I find you? Cerberus. Why can't I find this stock? Is it CBRS? Yeah, there it is. So there you go. That is a new stock on the market. Look at that. Look at that sweet IPO. So when this stock came out to the market, what happened? What happened, guys? It absolutely ran $20, then absolutely tanked all the way down. Opened at 350, rallied to 370, then absolutely dumped to 300. So, and then the day after it continued to dump. So why am I showing you this? Well, SPCX IPO has been hyped for months now. Of course, a lot of people are going to pile on. So here, I'm not buying it because I'm just not interested. I just don't give a damn about IPO plays. I'll buy once it settles down and finds a support, right? Tesla, I'll buy it once it settles down and finds an area of support. But this thing is going to be volatile, and if you want to play the volatility, go right ahead. Just be wary that this thing, just like the Cerberus IPO, if you hold, you have to be okay with holding a big bag if it does decide to continue to tank or even gap down overnight. So yeah. That is the problem with SPCX and any stock that gets a lot of hype behind it. The smart thing to do would be to play the other space-related stocks and just buy and hold those and not actually buy the SPCX IPO. That way you don't got to deal with this kind of nonsense that you get with in terms of price action. You can see here, once it found support, yeah, then it's worth buying. But you got to wait like a few days for it to find where buyers are going to hold it up in terms of support. So, yeah, no, I'm not buying that. That's just stupid. That's just dumb. Like, I don't give a shit. Like, it's just, I'll just sell my covered calls on IonQ, make my 400, and rinse and repeat. And then once once SPCX IPO finds support somewhere, then we'll be like, oh, okay, so that's where we buy, right? Nice and cheap and discounted, not at highs, and let alone not when it's going to be volatile up and down like crazy. Yeah, even the AI is saying, yeah, it's better to wait to buy shares because you don't want to deal with the volatility. That is the smarter play, right? Let the volatility calm down. I think some people just want to trade the volatility. And I think people think that the IPO is going to happen and it's going to go to the moon and they're afraid of missing out. That's the thing I'm getting. Because if that's how you feel, that's usually a sign to stay. That, for me at least, that's a sign to stay the fuck away from a stock. When people are feeling FOMO, when they are feeling like, I'm afraid to miss out, so I'm going to buy this IPO when it opens, that's usually how people get bagged. Well, someone's going to get bagged, obviously. Just like, I got a bunch of people got bagged up here. I don't know who, but they're idiots, clearly. They would have been better off just not buying and just staying away and trading anything else. But you know how people are. They're dumb. They're stupid. They're retarded. They see nothing but cash on their mind. They need to get that dopamine hit of, I buy this IPO and it goes to the moon and I make millions. Woo! Right? That's, if you're thinking that way, good luck. It might work out for you, might not. But just remember, you only hear about the winners. You don't hear about the thousands of losers, because no loser is going to brag about how they bought that IPO Cerberus had opened and held the bag all the way down. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day. Take care, guys. Risk is managed, I let it dance.